Wow, these bed sheets from Bedsure, they're made of rayon, but they're made with bamboo. So the bamboo creates the rayon. And oh my goodness. So what I find amazing about these bamboo sheets and the way that bamboo feels is, you know how silk feels kind of like it looks like it would be nice to sleep in, silk or satin. Looks like it would that'd be cool to sleep in, but then when you actually sleep in it, it feels like you're can't get a grip all night, or like you're slipping and sliding around, it feels weird or whatever. So what is great about this is you do not feel that with these sheets. It still gives that silky feel and that really soft feel, but it still feels like you're in sheets and it doesn't feel weird. So I personally don't like satin sheets. So I'd like to thank Bedsure for sending these to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is the queen size ones, and it comes with pillowcases. So you get 2 pillowcases, and you also get the sheet with the very deep pockets. So you get a fitted sheet, but it goes real deep, so you don't have any problem with this guy riding. It's like 16 inches, really long. So you got a really deep pocket. So if you only have a 12-inch, mattress, it's gonna slide right under and stay fit all night long. So no sliding and no waking up your partner when you're trying to get into bed and get the sheets back on. My husband's like, what are you doing? Anyway, so yeah, so these are great. They feel amazing. And they're cooling too. So make sure when you wash them that you wash them in cool water and then just tumble them dry. Don't use any heat to dry them because you'll lose this really, just feeling them, they feel cool to the touch. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they feel amazing. So these are really, really cool, really great option, really great gift. So thanks again, Bedsure.